Okay, now since you stuck around this far, here's an exclusive look at my exact workflow using this process, including a few extra steps that I do to get even better results. A couple hours before posting, I present my potential titles, thumbnails, or both to the community tab. Typically, I do this via text polls or with images that I design in Canva. However, inspired by Colin and Samir, I plan to experiment with image polls next. In my experience, image polls tend to engage more viewers and reach a wider audience. With a good number of responses to guide my final decision and a horde of people now aware and anticipating the upcoming video, I'm all set. Then I post the video using the title or thumbnail that the community chose, and usually it's the viewers who participated in the poll that are the first ones to comment things like, "I picked this one," or "That was my favorite thumbnail you chose." It's actually pretty cool. To keep the momentum going, I return to the community post and pin a comment linking to the video. Since the post is still circulating around, it could potentially draw on some extra traffic to the video.